political price if they try to block her confirmation. And since it appears she will be confirmed anyway, GOP lawmakers have to carefully consider whether they want to risk alienating voters they will need come next year and beyond. Brent Wilkes is National Executive Director of the League of United Latin American Citizens. Brent, give us a sense of the Hispanic community and what their view is right now of the way the Republican Party is viewing this nomination.
Well, I think the Hispanic community is absolutely delighted and elated that finally this glass ceiling has been broken and we have our first Latino nominee to the Supreme Court. It's an historic time for us, and so everyone's very excited. I think the hopes and aspirations of the community are with this compelling story. Think about her background, having grown up in the housing projects in the Bronx and still managing to go to Princeton and getting summa cum laude, and then going on to Yale Law School and being editor of the Yale Law Journal. I mean, it's just an incredible, compelling story. 17 years on the federal bench, over 380 decisions, and she's a brilliant jurist, someone who's got a tremendous track record. And because of that, I think the Latino community does expect her to get confirmed swiftly without a lot of opposition from the Republican Party. If they do oppose her, I think they will pay a political price because it's just an ill-advised opposition. There really isn't anything in her record to cause concern for these senators, and they really should look at her record and see that she is a moderate, somebody who brings consensus, and somebody that their party should support just as much as the Democratic Party.
That's a good point, and her background certainly is very compelling, but suppose that there are votes against her because of something in her record or her legal analysis that the Republicans, or even Democrats for that matter, find troubling. Why then should a senator pay the price in the Hispanic community if their vote is based on that and not based on her background?
Well, the thing is, if you look at this 17-year history on the bench and all the cases, 380 cases, the cases have already been reviewed twice before. A Republican president first nominated her, now a Democratic president nominated her, Bill Clinton, to the circuit, and now, of course, you've got Barack Obama nominating her. I think she should get a similar hearing to before, and she should get the support of Republican senators just like she did before. There's nothing in her record that would give them pause to vote against her, and if they do, I think they will pay a political price because people will see through this. They'll see it as mean-spirited, an effort to try to diminish a very sound justice for political partisan reasons, or perhaps even as an attack against the Latino community. That is going to be troubling to Latinos, and the party can look forward to continue to alienate the Latino community.
Brent Wilkes, National Executive Director of the League of United Latin American Citizens. And Brent, we look forward to talking to you in the weeks and months ahead as the confirmation process plays itself out. Thanks for coming on.
Thank you.